Hey everybody, it is iPhone 12 mini day. So this phone's been a long time coming. People for years have asked for a smaller flagship phone, and today's the day for me at least. You know, some people have gotten it early, but I am on my way to the Apple store, so let's do this. Okay, so we're here, and I'm walking up to the store now. See how it's going. Wish I could. There it is. There's the Apple store. Check out that line. Okay, let's go ahead and unbox this thing. This box is tiny as can be. Let's just move that around. And then, oh, that blue looks good. It looks a lot better than I thought it would. Go ahead and remove this little piece of paper plastic thing they got now. And then take a look. Oh, it feels so good in the hands. And then, of course, there's still the paperwork and the cable. But yeah, I was also able to get a hold of the 12 Max. So let's take a look at it. Ooh, that looks nice. Oh, but so big. The gold looks great though. I mean, but man, this thing is massive. Just look at those lenses. Those lenses are way bigger than what they were on the 11 Pro. I mean, that's crazy. So let's also compare the Max with the Mini. As you can see, the screen space is going to be a lot, but it is a lot heavier too. And the back, you get that extra camera and those bigger cameras as well. But yeah, you can see there's a big difference. And compare the 12 Pro to the 12 Pro Max. You can see both of them got that steel border, and both are pretty heavy, but obviously the Max is way bigger. I mean, just look at that camera. That is nice. So I got the phone. I am working on getting it set up. I'm in the car again, I know. So yeah, so this time what I've done, rather than switch the SIM right away, is I'm using my phone as a hotspot. So now this has Wi-Fi, quote unquote. And so far, everything seems to be working. Check out that wallet. It fits perfectly. This phone is beautiful. I love this thing. Yeah, this is, seriously, iPhone 12 mini, perfect phone. The Apple Store was way busier today than the last time when I picked up the Pro. So if you can look at it, I'm having no problem setting this up this time, and I'm connected to 5G on my 12 Pro, and then I have the hotspot on my iPhone mini. So they are working through the process. Sadly, I will have to download 14.2 on the mini, so this process is going to take a little bit longer. I ran into an issue, so it doesn't seem to be actually downloading, so I'm just going to go head home and finish it up from there. Okay, so I am back home. I am in my office. I have the phone mostly set up, and I love this thing. This size is perfect. I just got back from the post office. I had to drop off a couple packages there, and I was holding a couple packages using my phone one-handed, and it was great. I'm telling you right now that if Apple doesn't make this size phone next year, I may not actually upgrade. And I have upgraded every single year. This thing is perfect. What everybody's gonna say, and I haven't had time, like this is, you know, it's still downloading all my stuff. So I haven't had time to really know like battery life and all that stuff. I really do hope MagSafe, this thing works perfect. This thing holds better, the wallet holds better on this than it did on the Pro. Like I think it's because it's not the frosted, so there's more of like less of a texture for it to hold on to. So it's kind of actually harder to get off, which I'm still working out the best way to take it off. But yeah, fits perfect. fits like a glove. For fun, I wanted to show you some comparisons with other phones. Okay, so first off, let's compare it with the 12 Pro. As you can see, this is obviously got a bigger screen. These are both the blue models. So you got the Pacific blue against the just blue, I guess is what they call it this time. You know, you got that extra camera. That's what I wish they would have added. But overall, I mean, you get the same amount of icons. Everything's just smaller. So to me, it's worth it. You know, if you take a look, see, that's what you're missing. Basically, just a little bit of extra screen space there. Now, I can't find my original iPhone SE, which is the same size as the 5 and 5S, but I do have a case, so you can kind of get an idea of the size of it. So, I mean, it's just a little bit bigger, but it gives you all of that extra screen real estate. So, okay, so let's take a look at it with this is my son's SE, the second generation. So if you take a look at that, pop it right on there. So it's not as wide and it's not as tall, but very close in size, except you get that full screen versus the bezels. Okay, so I feel like we should go back in history a little bit. The original iPhone. I still love, like, I know it's rounded, but I love the feel of this phone. It's so tiny. But as you can see, it's almost the same width. There's not much difference in the width of it. And it's just a little bit taller. So I think they realized that this was, because they touted this thing like so much, that this is the perfect size because you can easily reach everything. Well, now with this one, I can just about easily reach everything. There's still a little bit to get to that top corner and stuff, but overall, I mean, this is nothing compared to this. So, and I can't imagine like having to use the Max every day. No, thank you. And then lastly, so this is the original iPod. This was what, 1,000 songs in your pockets, 5 gigs. About the same width, once again, if you look at it, you know, but look at that thickness. They've gotten a lot better how thin they can make things, obviously. This has like a spinning drive, I think. Yeah, it does. It has a spinning drive in it. But there you have it. That's my quick unboxing review, like less than a day. I'll probably do some more reviews on this because I can't stop saying good things about this phone. I love it. Like it is perfect. Apple, thank you for finally making a phone that is the perfect size. Like full screen plus all the bells and whistles. I would love to have, like, I don't care about the LiDAR, but I would love to have that third lens for telephoto, you know, the zoom in feature. Maybe next year. Please. You can add another one to the other one. That way this one still has less. But hope you guys like this content. If you did, hit the thumbs up. If you're getting one, or you know you want one, or you have any questions at all, feel free to comment down below. And I will see you guys in the next one. God bless.